Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best travel mouse that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TechNet Folding Wireless Optical Mouse. Looking for a mouse with ridiculous battery life? How does 18 months sound? The TechNet Folding Wireless Optical Mouse sports a 3-tiered energy saving cycle that can stretch the mouse's 2 batteries to a stated year and a half of work. After 3 seconds of inactivity, the mouse goes into low power mode. After 10 seconds, it goes into a deeper sleep, and after 30 minutes of inactivity, the mouse shuts down until you pick it up again. This ergonomic mouse folds down for storage, which cuts the length down by about a third, a unique feature that we haven't seen in many mouses. It was this feature that compelled one of our gear-hungry nerds to add it an already weirdly sizable collection of travel mouses, again, mice. And the TechNet folding mouse has been her go-to for several months, but not because of its folding action. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rechargeable Silent Slim Computer Travel Mouse. Another great option is Rechargeable Silent Slim Computer Travel Mouse. The most impressive statistic from this minimalistic travel mouse is that the rechargeable battery lasts up to 500 hours. That's almost 3 40-hour work weeks that you can bust out with this little guy before he needs a recharge. This makes it a great choice for longer trips or people who don't want to be bothered to recharge their mouse every few days. Also, the silent clicking feature means you can get your work done without bothering anyone else, which is especially useful and thoughtful if you work in a coffee shop or public workspace. The slim profile makes it easy to store in a garment bag, and the universal compatibility makes it ideal for both Windows and Mac users. At number 3, we have the Sabrent Mini USB Optical Travel Mouse. If you're looking for a compact mouse that won't make a dent in your spending account, the Sabrent Mini USB Optical Travel Mouse is a great option. This mini travel mouse offers high-definition optical tracking, a center wheel for scrolling and zooming in, and a solid ABS case that will keep it safe even if your pannier falls off your bike on the way to work. For the budget-conscious, this is a great choice at under $10. What's more, you don't even need to buy batteries, because the attached cable plugs into your computer and keeps you powered for as long as you and your computer can keep working. The cable is retractable for easy storage and portability. Bonus: the buttons are silent, so your constant clicking won't bug any coworkers within earshot. At number 2, we have the WisFox Wireless Computer Travel Mouse. Looking for a travel mouse that can outlive your current gig? The WisFox Wireless Computer Travel Mouse is tested to survive a minimum of 5 million clicks. That's right, 5 million. This means that most of us will hopefully never reach that threshold, and our mouse will last a lifetime of work. If your work requires anything approaching that workload, the ergonomic, sweat-resistant build will keep your hand comfortable, and the rubberized sides ensure a firm grip and pleasant feel. WisFox's muted architecture means that the mouse is completely silent. Scratching around on a table and clicking its buttons won't make a sound, which is sure to keep your coworkers happy. What's more, it automatically enters a power-saving mode when not used to keep the battery alive longer and reduce the number of times you'll need to swap it out. And finally, at number 1, we have the Seenda Noiseless Wireless Mouse. With this Seenda Noiseless Wireless Mouse, silence is golden. The scrolling wheel and right and left click buttons are totally silent, so you can work without bothering anyone around you. The buttons are also rated to have a lifespan of 3 million extremely quiet clicks, so you'll have this mouse for years of clicking away. The mouse also sports texture on the scrolling wheel and buttons and a sleep mode that turns on after 10 minutes of inactivity. Press any button, and the mouse is ready to get back to work. The Noiseless Wireless Mouse also comes with 17 color options, which means you can find one to fit your specific aesthetic. We're fans of the mint green, Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.